Please pardon for any unintentional mistakes during the video.
Very good morning to all of you, respected dear and honorable viewers. This is my last video on Himalayan peaks, that is Asia's majestic peaks. Because so far we have discussed about 154 peaks of Himalaya, and today we will discuss only 3 peaks of Himalaya, and this is all about the peaks of Himalayas which are significant and discussed. So as you know, this series of peaks of Himalayas, we are discussing the peaks of Himalaya mountain range. So far 8 parts of this discussion is over, which included some peaks of Himalayas, and they are also uploaded in my YouTube channel Uttar Beauty Entertainment, on which you are now watching this video. This is the 9th video on Himalayan mountain range and 16th video as far as world geography is concerned. So let's see the peaks which are coming in this video today. The first peak is Mount Kailash. We all are very familiar to this name and the peak, and it has a religious and cultural legacy in India and Nepal. So far we came to know that Mount Kailash is a mountain in Nagri Prefecture, Tibet Autonomous Region of China. It lies in the Kailash range, that is Ganges mountains of the Trans-Himalaya. In the western part of the Tibetan plateau, the peak of Mount Kailash is located at an elevation of 6,638 meters to the north of and western tri-junction of the border between China, India and Nepal. So in Hinduism, the mountain is traditionally recognized as the abode of Shiva, that is Lord Shiva, who resides there along with his consort goddess Parvati and their children Ganesh and Kartikeya. Elevation of this peak is 6,638 meters, which that is mentioned earlier. Prominence in 1,319 meters, coordinates to 31 degree 4 minutes and 0 seconds to the north, and 81 degree 18 minutes and 45 seconds to the east. The country where it is located is China. Parent range is Gendais range, climbing, fast ascent, unclimbed. That is, to climb on this Kailash Mount peak is prohibited, and as you can see in the picture, it is very that is tough to reach to the peak of this Kailash. Let's see the next peak. The next peak is Mana Peak. As you can see in the picture, this is the picture of Mana Peak. Mana Peak in Hindi it is Man Parth. Is a mountain in India and the 5th highest, located entirely within the Uttarakhand. Nanda Devi is the highest mountain in this category. There are 2 known approaches to Mana Peak. One is the eastern approach through East Kamet Glacier, and the other is southern approach through Nagtumi and Bankekund Glacier. So if we think about The elevation, it is 7,274 meter. Listing ultra list of Indian states and territories by highest point. Coordinates to 30 degree 52 minutes 52 seconds to the north and 79 degree 36 minutes and 50 seconds to east. Location Mana, Uttarakhand, India. Current range Garhwal Himalayas. Climbing fast ascent August 1937 by Frank Smithe during his famous Valley of Flowers expedition. Easiest route to reach this peak is glacier, then snow, then ice climb. So let's see the next peak. This is the next peak of this video and last peak of Himalaya mountain range to be discussed as an important aspect of world geography. So this is Bandarpunj, that is in Hindi, and if we translate the name, it is Monkey's Tail. Is a mountain massif in the Garhwal Himalaya in Uttarakhand, India. The massif has three peaks. White Peak, also called Badarpunj, 2 to the west above Yamunotri, almost 5 km east is Bandarpunj, main peak of Bandarpunj 1, and about 4 km to the northeast is Khalang. That is also a peak, though it is not so significant. The name is inspired by the mythological tale in which Hanuman, the monkey god, extinguishes his tail after it catches fire during the battle between King Rama and Ravana in Lanka by going to the summit of the mountain. This is the religious aspect of this Bandarpunj peak of Himalaya. Elevation is 6,316 meter. Listing list of mountains in India. Coordinates to 31 degree 0 minutes 28 seconds to 78 degree 55 minutes 33 seconds east. Location Uttarakhand, India. Parent range is Garhwal Himalaya. So, dear and respected viewers, this is the last video on the peaks of Himalaya. I have already discussed all the peaks of Himalayas in my earlier videos and they are uploaded in my YouTube channel Uttar Beauty Entertainment. If you wish, then you may go and watch these videos, which are very objective type and very important for any geography type of competitive exams like IS, any PSCs in India and other exams which relate to geographies. So we will discuss other aspects of world geography in our next videos. Until then, please keep our channel subscribed and touch the bell icon to get notifications of new videos. And thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment the videos and subscribe our channel to encourage our effort. Thank you very much.